There are 3 key reasons why you're not getting a return on investment in your networking. My name's Edward Plant from the Business League, and I just wanted to jump out today and share with you the 3 key reasons that you're not getting the return on investment from your networking. So there's a lot of networking groups out there, and I believe it's an amazing strategy for your business and for your business growth, your professional development as a business leader, but also your revenue development and growth. So I wanted to share with you the 3 key reasons why your networking isn't giving you the return on investment. The first one is the group. So you're networking in a group that doesn't have 2 key areas that you need. The first in the group is it's not set up for the right structure to promote you getting an amazing return on your investment. So it doesn't have the systems, the community, and the processes to get you the result. The second part of the group is, to be honest, the people aren't at the caliber that you need to get the results. They're not making you stretch, and that you're not surrounding yourself with amazing people in that group. So that's number 1, the group. Number 2 is around your clarity. So you're not clear on exactly how you want to get a return on investment. A lot of people use networking and go straight to the money. I want this many new sales. And they set themselves up for failure because they go, I want 2 new clients a week or 2 new sales a week. Go, wow, and that means you need to have 5 new leads and you need to be doing all of this. So there's no clarity. The other aspect is they don't look at the developmental opportunities that they can get and the strategic partnerships. Now I know inside the Business League, some of the biggest wins that happen are from people making active changes in their business as a result of knowledge they've heard from our speakers. So some of them have restructured their business and in the next 6 months doubled because of that one change. Now they would have never have got it if they hadn't gone to that event and heard that speaker and been networking. The second is around the creating a contact that significantly puts them in a box seat for a big contract or gig. And we've had members of the Business League get $300,000 contracts as a result of their networking. So getting clarity on what the return on investment is number 2. The third one is, let me say this, if it's going to be, it's up to me. So that's not me, that's you. So number 3 is your commitment. So the only reason networking doesn't work is if you're not committed. There's a process you can follow, and if you do those things consistently over time, you will, I guarantee, get results. So it's your commitment. It doesn't work when you stop, when you give it a half-assed output, when it's not working. So they're the 3. The first one is the group. The second one is your clarity on what return on investment you need. So clarity. And the third one is your commitment. I hope that's helpful, and have a good look at which one is really holding you back in your networking and work out how to change it. If you need a hand or want to come to one of our networking events, we'd love to see you there, and you can just jump on the Business League website or our Facebook page and get yourself a ticket, and we look forward to seeing you. My name's Edward Plant. That's all I've got time for. I'll see you at a networking event real soon.